Much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So this is what I did in my 15 days of leave. As you can see, I went to the market, then I left the place to the NIB bank. I came home to cook for my brother. This is the following day. I was setting up for my I went to my sister's place. That's my this is the next day. Mom and I watched my sister making porridge. After the fufu, I washed the utensils. These kids won't sleep, so they braided my hair. This is the Sunday. This is my outfit for church. Cut the place. It is so nice. So we came home to the delicacy. On this day, I went to see the kids off to school. Found some eto to eat. Nobody can separate me from eto. I like eating eto a lot. Mommy made some food for us and she poured it into the sink. I don't know why. This woman likes eating hot food. The kids came back from school. This day I went to the market. Kids and dismantling things. One of the kids Buniba. This is the day that I returned to Kumasi. I came outside with mommy. Took a car. This is me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.